Peace, y'all. Queen Yenn here with another motivation and meditation. And today I want to talk about something that many of us are thinking about. You know, this topic is very hot right now, and that's the topic of our vision. Many of us are doing vision boards right now because we're coming to the close of a calendar year and we're coming up on a new year. And new year for many is very exciting. And that's the time where people are like, this is going to be the best year ever. This is going to be that year for me. I'm going to get the things that I desire. And you begin to explore your vision board. Well, I want to reason about this thing we call vision. I want to reason about that. And the title that I came up with when I was contemplating this topic, the title is your vision becoming a blockage? Is your vision becoming a blockage? Okay. So oftentimes we have this vision. This is what we think this feeling that we're desiring looks like in the physical world. Okay. Everything that we desire in this physical world, the root of it is a feeling or a vibration that we desire, a vibration that feels good to us. So say for instance, we have this desire for a nice big home, 7 rooms, a nice yard, brick accents, whatever it may be. All of those things in the physical world stem back to a feeling that you desire. Maybe that home will make you feel safe, secure, or successful, or excited, or safe. Who knows what are those feelings that will bring that about? Maybe that new car would make you feel powerful, or adored, or desired. So this vision, usually this vision board, is a picture of what we desire in this physical world. Problem is, oftentimes we get this vision stuck in our minds, and so now we're stuck at looking at something how we want to look at it. We start feeling like unless it looks this way, this is not it. We begin to look for those things and almost chase after those things. And even if the smallest bit of thing doesn't look right to you, you want to run away. Or you sometimes miss out on your blessing because it doesn't look right to you. So I want to challenge everyone to think about it. Is your vision becoming a blockage for you? Is your ambition for this vision that you have, is that becoming a prison for you? Are you stuck in that mode? Because what happens is once you get stuck to what you think things should look like, how you think things should unfold, then you remove yourself from the flow of the universe and that beautiful unfolding where we want to be in order to really get the level of abundance that is our birthright. So I challenge everyone to, one, think about that. Think about how married am I to this vision, or how I think it should look. And what I want to challenge you to do is peel back the layers of how you feel like it should physically look and go to the feeling. Focus on, how do I want to feel in this existence? How do I want to show up in this existence? How do I want to feel? Instead of saying, what do I want to get, or what do I want to gain? How do I desire to feel every day? How do I desire to feel as this journey unfolds for you? I'd like to feel free. I'd like to feel liberated. I'd like to feel secure. I'd like to feel accomplished. And focus on those feelings. Sit with yourself. Get yourself in a space of meditation and stillness. And contemplate and place yourself in a space of how you want to feel. How you desire to feel. So I'll just do a quick meditation with you, just to kind of give an example of how you can place yourself in a space where you can tune into the feelings of these desires that you have, because it's when you tune into those feelings, that's when you are tuning into the vibration of these things, and you are becoming a vibrational match to these things, and that's when you'll begin to see the things actualize in your life. Don't go another year with the vision board full, and then at the end you're feeling a bit disappointed because you didn't necessarily see those things actualize. Maybe you're focusing too much on the outcome the physical look of these things instead of the vibration. Because truly it's in the vibration where we find the actualization. So here's a brief way that you can put yourself in a space where you can tune into the feeling, okay? Find yourself in a comfortable position. Just settle in for a brief moment. As always, activate your breath. Just take a few deep cleansing breaths. Moving away any thoughts you may have in your mind. Not thinking about anything in particular. Just breathe. Release your shoulders. Release your forehead. Drop your jaw. And release the tongue from the top of your mouth. And relax. First, I want you to contemplate the feeling of joy. What does joy feel like to you? Joy may feel like freedom. It feels like lightness. It feels like smiles and embraces. It feels like laughter. Sit in the feeling of joy. Joy being something that everyone wants to feel. Think about other feelings that you desire to be present in your life. Maybe it's peace. Contemplate, what does peace feel like? And just speak those words to yourself out loud. Peace feels like flow. Feels like freedom. Stress-free. Light. Now just take a moment to contemplate feelings that you desire in your life. Peace, love, abundance. Contemplate those feelings and speak to yourself or out loud words that describe those feelings. And as you contemplate, connect with those feelings. Bring yourself to the vibration of peace, of freedom, of lightness, of abundance, of vastness, of opulence, of luxury, of adoration, of respect. Just continue to contemplate. Allow yourself to feel. Tuning into those vibrations. Let's take one deep breath in, one last deep breath in, and release. Gradually come back to the present moment. Now, all of those feelings that you contemplated, that you connected with, this is what I desire for you to focus on. Allow how you show up vibrationally in this world to be your vision for this upcoming calendar year. And surely, as soon as you feel it and you tune into that vibration, you are surely on the way to actualization. I pray this was impactful, and I will see you for the next motivation and meditation.